Lesson 2. Key cockroach and ant species. Accurate pest identification dictates your control strategy, especially with cockroaches and ants. Let us look at 3 common cockroaches. The German cockroach is the most common indoor species in California. You can identify the adult by its light tan color, half-inch size, and 2 dark parallel stripes on the pronotum, the shield behind its head. The female protects her egg case by carrying it protruding from her abdomen until a day or 2 before hatching. German roaches prefer warm, moist areas like kitchens. In contrast, the brown-banded cockroach prefers warmer, drier locations higher up in rooms, such as behind picture frames and near ceilings. Meanwhile, the American cockroach is much larger, about 1.5 inches, reddish-brown, and favors warm, humid environments like sewers and commercial basements. Now let us consider some problematic ants. The Argentine ant is California's most common structural pest ant. It forms massive, multi-queen supercolonies with persistent foraging trails, meaning baiting and exclusion are your best bets. The odorous house ant is another trailing ant, easily identified in the field because it smells like rotten coconut or blue cheese when crushed. The pharaoh ant is notoriously difficult to control because if you use a repellent broadcast spray, the multi-queen colony will bud, fracturing into multiple satellite colonies and spreading the infestation. For them, slow-acting baits are essential. Finally, if you find smooth, clean galleries in wood with no mud and small piles of sawdust like frass, you are dealing with carpenter ants. They excavate wood to nest but do not eat it.